Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore the proposal section in Travel Boost. Okay, so the proposal section allows you to create beautiful travel quotations and itineraries for your clients. You can build personalized travel packages, manage pricing, organize day by day itineraries, and easily share proposals with your clients. A proposal can be created directly from lead here. Directly from lead, just click proposal plus new proposal. Or you can create one directly from the proposal section. So add. So what's inside the proposal section? So let's first take a look at the proposal page. So at the top, you'll find proposal statuses that help you track every quotation throughout the life cycle. So this include the draft, sent, viewed, accepted, rejected, and expired. So below you see the proposal list where you can view the proposal title assigned, client or lead, destination, included travel services, of course total cost, um, what do you call this? The date of the proposal was created. Okay. So hang on. So let's now create a new proposal. Just click this new proposal, and then of course you're gonna have the title of the proposal, like for example is uh de la family, and the destination is Philippines. And we can have the cover page like this. I'm gonna search Philippines, and then let's go to images, and maybe let's choose this one. Then let's copy the image address, and let's go back to the proposal section and paste. All right, so the travelers is one only, and then hang on. By the way, you can choose the layout to day by day or simple list. For the pricing, you can choose itemize or package. All right. You can also create notes that will visible to client. And this one is linked to lead. Don't forget to, what they call this? Don't forget to link, of course, to your client. It's important to link every proposal to a client because proposals are always created for a specific client. Like for example, this one is for Abdella. Let's search is this one. Abdella. So this ensures the proposal becomes part of the customer history and can be tracked throughout the sales process. So you can create proposal here, and then let's check, of course, Philippines, image, traveler, itemize, and then click create and open. So in here, as you can see, this one is the title, the name of the traveler, the destination, and the number of the traveler. This one is categorized by draft only. If the proposal are done, it will be sent. Then if it's sent, of course it will be viewed by the customer or the clients. Then if the client like it, and of course he will accept that. But if not, and it will lead here into the rejected. Okay, so this one, let's day by day, and then of course itemize. Okay, so let's click, of course, add the first item. So day one, the location is let's have Siargao. Narrative description of the day, you can type any narrative description of the day. Of course, the theme, if this one Siargao is beach, we can have that. Of course, like in the proposal cover, we can have the image here. So let's just search Siargao. Hang on, search Siargao, and maybe let's choose, maybe this one's great. Click copy image address, push address, and then let's paste the URL. Of course, we can add two item for day one, and maybe let's choose maybe hotel. Of course, you can you need to have the hotel details, like for example is um Okada Hotel. And of course, select the star, 5-star hotel. Room type is, let's have suite. Of course, mean plan, you can have maybe all inclusive. And then nights is, we can have one. Check-in date, of course, if it's 5-day trip, we will have this. And then location is Siargao. Of course, supplier name and the image URL. And then the cost price, sell price, and the quantity, add item. This one. You can see here, Okada Hotel, and of course, the day one. And then, hang on. I think we didn't save the day. So, day one, location, Siargao. Okay, theme, so beach. Let's copy this one again. How does X this one? And then let's save day. Saving. And then, so this one. And then the next day, we can have the Palawan. Add day again. This one is for the day 2. So for the day 2, let's have Palawan. Of course, you can type any description for this. Of course, you can have again the image URL, Palawan. Let's choose this one. Kami image address. Have that. And then for the description, of course, this one is just for example. Have that, okay. And then save day. And then of course we can add item for day 2, like for example activity like snork snorkeling, beach area, beach area. Then we can have, of course, time. Snorkeling is good for maybe, of course, AM. Let's choose 7:30 AM. That's it. Course duration is like maybe 1 hour, or and then of course the description, supplier, then image, then add item. Then this one is for day one, Surigao, Palawan, and let's have save day. And then we can add again for the day 3. Day 3, which is we can have Boracay. This one is just example, right? So that you will have an overview of it. So Boracay, course, have this, and then let's copy this one. Have the narrative, copy image address. Yeah, same process for the day 1. Save day, of course, and we can add item. And then for the day 4, let's have Cebu. So day 4, let's have Cebu. Of course, let's choose image for it. So let's have this one. Same process, remember this one. And of course, narrative, and then you can add item again. And then for the day 5, maybe let's have Batanes in the Philippines. This one is a great location, by the way. Batanes. And of course, image URL so that the client will see the location. All right. So copy image and then paste. So of course, this one, of course, theme as well. So like for example, free day. Of course, you need to add item and then save day. And then let's have a recap. So day 1 we have Siargao. And then for the day 2 we have for day 1 Okada Hotel item. Day 2 we have Palawan, snorkeling. Day 3 we have Boracay. Maybe add item for this is cruise. Then add item. Like for example, Boracay. Boracay. Then add. And this one, cruise. Day 4, we have Cebu. Same like in day 1 to day 3, it has item of course. For the day 5, which is free day, we have Batanes. Okay? So this one is a draft proposal only. So if you take a look at it, it's like a same process. Add day, of course, add item because it is day by day. And as you can see here, we have day by day. We can have that as well in simple list, like this one. Of course, itemize or package. We can have that as well for the client. This one is package view. So let's have again the day to day and the itemize. And then it's like for the choosing pricing format, itemized pricing, of course, this pays every individual cost separately, such as flight, hotel, tours, transfer, and other travel services. This give customer what you call this a detailed breakdown of what they're paying for. So the package pricing is combines everything into a single package price, providing a cleaner and simpler quotation without showing individual costs, choosing the pricing style that best suits your agency and your customers, of course, preferences. Of course, building itinerary that we are doing earlier, like for each day we have of course the title, location, detailed description, of course, a theme as well, and then an image to make the itinerary more engaging to the client. That's really important. Remember that. So hang on. So as you can see here, what they call this, in the proposal details that we have, this page gives you complete control over your what you call this quotations. Okay, so from here you can edit the proposal, track its status, which is this one. Of course, change the itinerary layouts, which between itemize or um, package pricing, manage discount and taxes as well, automatically calculate totals, and then monitor your profit and margin before sending the proposal. Okay, so we can preview the trip here. Just click this one and it will redirect to this one. So Abdella family, of course, the image that we paste, this one, Abdella family, one traveler, of course, 5 nights. So program, day 1, of course, Siargao. Then the item is Okada Hotel. Day 2 is Palawan. Activity is snorkeling. Day 3 is Boracay, cruise. And then day 4, Cebu. And day 5 is for Batanes, which is pre-time for him. And then this one, we can see here the stages. Okay, if it's sent, viewed, accepted, deposit paid, confirm, and traveling. Okay, and then by the way, let's go back in here. So once the proposal is completed, Travel Boost provides several ways to share it with your customers. Like the other one that we opened, which is the preview trip. We can share the link, or we can have the print or via PDF form. Okay, so this make it easy to present professional travel quotations and move customers smoothly from inquiry to booking. Okay, so what else? Hang on. Yeah, I think I let me open this print and PDF so you can see. Hang on. So this one. So let's just cancel. So this one is the PDF preview. So this one, Abdella family, of course, one traveler, and then prepared for, and the status is draft. So day by day itinerary, of course, here. It's really great, right? And of course, there are also pricing summary, subtotal, and the total. Okay. And that's how you create and manage travel proposals in Travel Boost. So whether you create a proposal from lead, a client, or directly from the proposal section, you can build professional itineraries, choose between day by day or simple list layouts like itemize or package pricing, and easily share your proposal with your customers via link or PDF. With everything stored in one place, Travel Boost make it easy to to deliver impressive travel quotations and convert more inquiries into into confirmed bookings rather. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.